Hello, my 757 subscribers. We're getting 6 subs since the last video, which is quite amazing. Today, we're gonna be reviewing. I'm a little too fast. Speed racer. Today, we're gonna be reviewing the best $20 microphone on the market. Let's get into this unboxing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.
You look good as fuck, bro.
Cue card.
Dude, what the fuck are you doing? Take 2. Are you gonna start being fucking serious?
Dude, I hate doing it alone.
Dude, I can't join you. I'm sorry. You look great.
So today, me and Noah, we got something to show you guys. It's an unboxing of this microphone.
That new mic that I've been talking about.
$20 mic. It's been working pretty well. It's just a really nice mic. I've recorded some intros with it, and so has he, and it's just it's been a pretty good time to be able to use it a little bit. But we're gonna unbox for you guys because we know that YouTube just loves unboxings for some reason. I didn't even realize.
The packaging, dude, quite nice for
Pretty
$20.
Yeah.
You got the phone to protect the mic. You got the protection for the protection of the mic. You got
The protection for the protection. I say that 5 times fast.
You got the stand.
Stand.
The stand with the metal stand. It's
Yeah.
got foam in there too to protect it. Quite a nice package.
I just like the way it looks. Like it's just a pretty nice looking mic.
It looks like a studio quality.
Yeah, it does. It's definitely a good starter mic for someone who's looking to like start up a YouTube channel or
Like
something,
20
which is
I think it's
kind of what
24.
we're doing.
It's $24 on Amazon. Link in the description if you want to check it out.
Yeah, these are some pretty good mics right
Not
here.
sponsored either. I
Not sponsored.
like the mic.
Yeah, sick ass shit.
You got one way. You can only adjust it this way. I mean, if you wanted to adjust the other way, you can. Okay, if you want to adjust the other way, you can just screw it a little bit.
Yeah, and it's got the foam tip, so you can make it uncircumcised. If you guys want a new mic that's good for a setup or startup YouTube channel, this is probably a good route to go. It's cheap, it's reliable, it sounds nice, and it's a good mic to have for recording videos and stuff.
Amazing quality for $20.
Yeah, definitely great quality.
I don't know what this is called, but you get it with it.
It's a condom for the microphone.
You get the sleeve. I don't really use it. I don't think it makes a difference. I did some tests where I had it on and I recorded and I took it off and I recorded. It sounded the same to me. I don't really know what it's supposed to do.
Yeah.
Maybe when you have it on a boom arm, it's supposed to help. It's like I think this might be a shock absorber.
Yeah.
Obviously, what it exactly is. Right. I went ahead and caught some footage of the mic, so here are those clips.
Little.
That's gonna be it from us, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. You got any words?
This product will be linked in the description.
Stay away from strangers.
Stay away from strangers.
See ya.